In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off shuffle play on Spotify. Let's get started. Launch your Spotify app, make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the playlist. When you try to play a playlist in Spotify without premium, shuffle is automatically on. Tap the green shuffle icon and Spotify will prompt you to get premium. Unfortunately, there is no way to fully disable shuffle for regular Spotify songs without premium. But here is a workaround. Navigate to your homepage, then click on the profile icon, select the option Settings and Privacy, click on Apps and Devices, turn on Local Audio Files. Go to your library, then Local Files. Here you can play your songs without shuffle or toggle shuffle off freely. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Spotify songs without shuffle using local files. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.